Hello, greetings again. Now it's time to make some dirt. So let's make some dirt. We've got grass. I showed you how to do that. We've got a sidewalk. I showed you how to do that. And if you're going to do a driveway, you do it the same exact way you did a sidewalk, but you do it large enough to fit a car into. Alright, so I am going to go to floor. And I can just, I could take this light concrete that I created earlier and do an edit, duplicate, and just call it mulch. Mulch and soil. That's what I call it anyway. You can call it whatever you want to. Structure, we're going to change the cast in place concrete to earth. Okay, we don't have to upload any images for this one because the earth that's in Revit already looks pretty good. It's very usable. So if I'm going to place some gardens up around the house, I'm going to choose my line tool. I'm going to put some garden right here. Okay. And let's see, kind of have a layout in mind. Use my arc tool. Well, that's okay. Then I'm going to use my fillet tool. I'm going to fillet this corner over here to right there, and I'm going to fillet this one so it sort of flows. Okay, and it looks like I got an extra line to get rid of there. Okay, make sure you close the loops like so. And it's good to go ahead and put all of your gardening kind of on the same layer. See if we can get even with that, or about anyway. So I'm going to put all of my little garden. You don't have to do it that way, but if you can think about it, definitely do it that way. Okay, now let's see. Do a arc. I want to do an arc. Just like I did with that side over there. Pretty close to just like I did there. Then I'm going to do a fillet. And another fillet. And then I'm going to close that loop. Okay, and then some other good places to put things like gardens, or right in here. Let's do this one with an arc. Now we'll have to do a spline. I guess a spline is probably the best way to do this. Okay, got that one. And now we'll kind of do one just the opposite of that. It's a pretty good idea to make a complete circle out of it. back to spline. Put a lot of points in here so I can adjust it, or kind of mold it, I guess you would call it. Alright, now we've got plenty of soil and mulch lying about. So now I'm just going to click the green check mark, and I'm going to go into my elevation again, my east elevation, and make sure it's where I think it should be. So we want it to rest just above the grass a little bit, not necessarily above the concrete, the sidewalks and what have you. And there we go. So let's take a look at what we've got here in 3 dimensions. And there you can see we got our little gardens right here, we got our grass, and we got our sidewalk. Alright, that's it.